Kids School।
बच्चों, आज हम पढ़ेंगे ABC। A for apple, A for aeroplane, B for bat, B for ball, C for cup, C for cat, D for drum, E for elephant, E for egg, F for fish, F for fan, G for grape, G for goat, H for hat, H for hog, I for ink, I for ink pen, J for jug, J for juice, K for kite, K for king, L for lamb, L for lion, M for monkey, N for mouse, N for nest, N for nose, O for octopus, O for orange, P for parrot, P for pen, Q for queen, Q for quail, R for rose, R for red, S for sun, T for tree, T for tiger, U for umbrella, U for uncle, V for vase, V for van, W for watch, Y for yo-yo, Y for yogurt, Z for zebra, testa, A for apple or A for tree. Good, it's apple. N for orange, N for nose. Excellent, it's nose. बच्चों, अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो लाइक, सब्सक्राइब और शेयर करें। बाय।